I'm working on a 98 Chevy Malibu, and the problem is big oil leak. What's causing the oil leak is the oil pressure switch that's located right above the starter. Here's the new one. Requires a special tool, but I'm going to try and do it with some small channel lock pliers. I'm going to start by taking off this plastic cover. Just unscrew these two wing nuts. Wing nuts on this side and tabs on the other side to hold this in. This pulls right out. Here it is, right here. You can see oil all over it. It's just pouring out. Before I do this though, because these exposed electrical connections are right here, I'm going to unplug the battery so I don't hit this with my wrench and short out these terminals. Okay, so I disconnected the negative terminal on the battery so that there won't be any sparks flying. Now I'm going to take the electrical connection off of the sensor. Just pops off. And let's see if we can loosen it up with those small channel locks. Okay, I'm moving it 5 degrees at a time, but it's working. Just comparing the new one to the old one, make sure that it's the same, so we don't put in the wrong thing. And it looks good. Sealant on the threads. Okay, now we just need to screw it in. Okay, now when tightening it, I'm only going to hold on to the metal part and not try and turn it by the plastic. Otherwise I think that might break it. So just grab it by the metal with the channel locks. I had to switch out wrenches. The smaller channel lock worked just fine for taking out the old one, but when I changed directions, tightening up, I needed closer grip range to turn it, so I switched to a little bit larger pair of channel locks. I don't know why it worked out that way, but this is what I used to get it off, and this is what I used to put it on.